Plastic killing the world. We know that the unrestricted use of plastic as part of our daily life is slowly but steadily killing the biodiversity of the universe. The single-use plastic, better known as disposable plastic, is the most dangerous of all plastic varieties. These types of plastic products are either thrown away or recycled. They include plastic carry bags, straws, water bottles and food packages. In its report titled Single-Use Plastics, a Roadmap for Sustainability, the United Nations has said that the world disposes about 300 million tons of plastic waste all across the universe. A data released by the World Economic Forum recently puts the amount of non-degradable plastic waste that floats in our oceans at 150 million tons. The toxicity of this much plastic kills the flora and fauna on earth and in oceans across the world. The toxic chemical enters the body of all living organisms, including human beings. The entry of such toxic chemicals into our body damages the nervous system and lungs. The plastic waste enters the body of animals and chokes their stomach. This happens in the case of animals on earth and ocean. Turtles and dolphins are the most affected animals in the oceans. The single-use plastic does not decompose but keep floating around, be it on earth or in water. Despite being termed as single-use, they seldom get disposed of easily. A survey report on plastic by an environmental activist group in Europe said the plastic that were disposed of in land or water take hundreds of years to decompose fully. In fact, only 9% of the plastic waste get recycled and the rest 91% go disposed and remain undecomposed. Thus, a major chunk of plastic waste that are not biodegradable remains as it is and takes years to get decomposed. They first break down to smaller pieces called microplastics. These microplastics are more harmful to human beings as well as the entire universe. The toxicity of plastic waste not only damages living organisms but also contaminate our soil and water. The ocean is a major victim of the plastic waste. The disposed plastic flows into the water bodies which ultimately make it to the oceans. The UN report says the plastic packaging is the one which accounts for almost half of the plastic waste in the world. Hence, two products of plastic are the real villains, the rest are almost negligible. They are the single-use plastic packing materials and plastic bottles. Apart from its toxic elements that harm living organisms, plastic also causes pollution in the environment. The issue is not simple at all. It's something similar to that of climate change. A rough estimate suggests that about 8 million tons of plastic waste get moved to the oceans. This is in simple terms as good as dumping a garbage truck into an ocean every minute. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, has recently urged the world to put an end to single-use plastic. Many world leaders are making their best to get rid of the plastic menace. But there is much more to do in this direction, committed and focused. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.